So, the next one we're going to cook is the mushroom. So, the cold seafood mushroom. Ito ay very easy na lulutuin lang guys. So, isututoy ko lang siya. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng oyster sauce, salt and pepper. And that's it. So, ito na yung wash na mushroom natin guys. So, first, maglagay lang tayo ng olive oil. Tapos, lagay na natin. Ilabas natin yung oyster sauce. Gamit tayo ng oyster sauce. Ayan. Tapos, okay. Lagay natin yung onion. So, onion lang. Yan, hindi pa siya kainit masyado yung onion. Isuti lang natin yung onion. Very basic ang ginagawa kong pagluluto guys. So, directly na ilalagay ko na lang yung oyster sauce. Guys, then next. And the mushroom is done. So, pwede na nating i-side dish itong mushroom na to. So, of course, we're gonna try what's the taste. If we need salt or what. So, pinch of salt. Parang totoo. Yan na guys. This is a simple. Wala akong garnish ngayon. So, that will be fine. So, if you have cilantro, parsley, so you can add. Meron pala akong natitirang spring onion. Ilalagay lang natin para hindi na siya masira. Ayan lang guys. So, very simple. So, ito na guys. Kung kulang naman ng oyster sauce, maglagay lang kayo ng oyster sauce. Pero sa akin, okay na to. Tastes good. Okay guys. Ganyan lang siya. Oh. Sarap. Ayan na guys. Transfer na